Hey everybody, I'm elcheapomagneto, and welcome back to, oh my god, it's Laggy Town. Welcome back to Progress... I am not fully awake. I wanted to say welcome back to Pesadelo the Regression. There. I said it. Now I get to wear the flower of embarrassment and stupidity. That's what, yeah, I'll just call it the flower of stupidity. There. Okay, so, we had a disturbing radio call. We're now out here in the middle of nowhere. And there's light heads out here, too. Joy! So, what is our objective right now? Chapbook. Let me take a look at that. Let's take a look at this. Oh, I have 2 pages from the chapbooks. Whoa. Okay. So we gotta find pages of the chapbooks, I guess. I like how this place is fairly nice and open, but it's also bad at the same time, you know? Considering the fact that there's a bunch of monsters around. But, you know what? I'll just have to deal. Because I'm a big boy. I could deal with anything that this game throws at me. Hey, another page. Second page. Priest and the Holy Man. Okay. So what can I find in this dang warehouse? This empty house. Okay, open. Oh, hey, what are you? Third page from an old chapbook? Wow, I'm finding all the pages. But yeah, I think I said before, I hope this doesn't turn out to be like a Slender Man section. Because you know how much of an annoyance that would be? Because I've played, you know, Slender Man, a couple versions of it. I played Slender Man, the 8 pages. You know, what? This one stands out above the rest. Why? What the fuck? What the fuck was that? Did you see that ghostly girl just... Ah! Are you still after me? You hear the music too? And those sounds? What the fuck is going on? Those tribal guys, now they're after me. Okay. So I got some demonic tribe people after me. This really is gonna be like Slenderman, isn't it? There's creepy music playing. There's a guy chasing after me. I'm so confused as to what the hell is going on now. What? Oh my god, I seriously thought I could pick that up. That would have been so nice to have. Just pick up a pistol and pop! Pop goes the monster. Now, are you gonna come at me again? I didn't think so. Eight and 9 from the old chapo. From the old chap. I need items for an altar now. Anything to pick up here? No? Okay. And saved. I should probably pay more attention to those, pay more attention to those, pages, because they'll tell me everything I need to know. But for now, you know what? I'm just gonna take a look real quick, so bear back. Okay, you found me, and... Hey, stupid tribal man. Alright, so I got a horseshoe. So that's the first thing I found. So I got the silver horseshoe, which I need. Hello, arrow. You're still after me? What the fuck? Oh, that must be where I have to put the items for the altar. Maybe? I don't know. This guy needs to get away from me. Hey, I said leave me alone. You have an issue with me, take it up with my manager, okay? God, you're a pain in the ass. Oh, come on! I thought I was rid of you! Please tell me you're not a monster up there. Please tell me you're not a monster up there. Please tell me you're not a monster up there. Oh. God damn it. I've had enough of my fair share of monsters. And then there's those things that are just stabbing at my ass. But of course you would spot me. Whoa, I see a beam of light. I think those guys' legs are actually supposed to be like that. I don't think they're human at all. They're maybe some sort of gremlin or some shit. Hello, poison plant. Snapping plant. Pillars of light. I wonder if those are altars. I really wonder if those are altars. I guess there's only one way to find out, you know. Cutting through this area doesn't seem worth it because I am dying super very fast. Hey, I found an encampment. Hey, sir, anybody? Help? Booze. Embroidered cloth. I got things. Alright, now that I've saved, let's go see what else we can find. There should be one more item I need. I got the embroidered cloth. I got the silver horseshoe. I hear the goblins are whistling and laughing. The goblins are whistling and laughing. This is really close. And I have no idea how to avoid them. I think I avoided him. Leave me alone! Stupid goblin demon thing. I guess I'll use a match. I guess it'll put it for me automatically, which is nice to have. Now I'm just gonna get my way out of here. Okay, those guys seem a lot easier to avoid than I thought. And that goblin guy or whatever, that tribal guy, only does minimal damage, so I have nothing to worry about. It's sad I really don't have anything to worry about. That just means that either I've figured some stuff out about the enemies, or they're just not all that threatening. I don't like the sound of that. Hello, big guy. Goodbye, big guy. So what was with that fucking horse and stomping on fire? Was that the fire beast? That could have been the fire beast. Oh my god. There it is. I do not have the item for this altar. Okay, that's good to know. I got a lot of healing. The boom insta-killed by a Slenderman lookalike. He'd be coming over like, hey, what are you doing in my forest here, bub? You know the penalty? I am bad at improv. Am I near the other altar yet? Yeah, I guess I am. Well, I'm right at this altar. I don't have the item for it either. What? Oh, I thought you were a building. Jeez, stupid rock wall. Oh, there's a boogly boogly bad. Boogly boogly bad bad. Right there. Boogly 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 bad 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 bad. Alright, second item placed. So I got what, 2 more? Oh, I found another page. Oh, I have more lighter fluid. Cool. And we'll save that here. Oh, I can't unjam it from this side. Okay. Now that I've saved, I can be a little bit more comfortable in moving around, because... Oh, I got the photo too. Sweet. I'm glad I got that. I don't remember closing the store though. Alright, so when I return, we're going to try to find the rest of those items needed for the fire beast. Thank you very much everybody for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Until next time. What the hell? What the fuck was that? What the fuck was that? Did you guys see that?